Looking for the lightweight summer sarees, but it should be look very simple. But when we wear the saree, it should look like royal. But looking for a premium budget sarees, right? Yes, my friends. For this summer, everyone, especially for the daily wear, all expects the simple sarees. It should be very simple and beautiful. At the same time, friendly budget, and the collections, it should be very 8 to 10 hours, it should comfortable, and for the mini functions also, it should look classy. Yes, you're watching here the beautiful multiple varieties of the colorful boxes. For these sarees, I'm talking about the even the designer sarees on the for the daily wear basis also. We have a such unique catalog collections. For the friendly budget, today I brought for you the 500 to 600 range of varieties, the daily wear premium collections. The speciality is the sarees fabrics are very weightless, and the sarees multiple collections which are giving. And to beat this summer, these sarees are very demand, and these sarees are for this summer very trending at the moment. So either you are a boutique reseller or reseller, you should have these varieties at your business. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, and new viewers, if you're watching first time, if you want to start a clothing business or saree business, subscribe. You'll get regular notifications. You can see regularly the videos, and you can buy by sitting at from home. You can take COD options where your location you will get the products, but based on your requirement, what collections you are doing the online shopping. So Kesaria manufactures, if I want to talk under one roof, sari lehenga. So many more varieties here. Manufacturing price which you can purchase, were located in Gujarat, Surat City, Doriwala Sky Building next to Mohan Sweets, opposite to Surat Railway Station, 3 minutes walkable distance. And you can visit. When you're not able to visit, you can do video calling, online purchase. So let's see the samples. As I told you, the daily wear sarees which are simple and classy. These collections are very demanded. So first I start with lavender color with the peach color combination. Very pretty, which as I said, the royal look it gives you. This is a one of the pattern. If I talk about the next sari, the red color, you have a gap borders which is highlighted with many more color charts, which is a color mixed chart. For the mini functions, I can say the color which is very blue color, which is royal blue, very pretty with the golden matte borders, you can see. So this is one of the pattern. For the colorful bright colors, the contrast dark colors was the dark purple color, dark magenta color, the Laria based print. You can also have these kind of color charts. Every sari you can see the different color, different design, multiple colors also you can find out. So this is also one of the pattern, the wine maroon, but the bold leaf printed with a golden color combination with a fancy tassel border, though satin border you can see over here on this. This is also one of the pattern. And if you have a gray color combination, very pretty, this is also one of the pattern. So gray color with the matte golden borders, which you can see here. Copper finishing also you can see. Multi-color, you got the parrot green with the Rama green. Geometrical print you got it. And you got the multiple minimal zari borders you can see over here. This is also one of the pattern. So all these sarees are packing. Here is the entire section. You can have a look. So all the sarees will get with the box packing. The Kesaria logo and you can find out the barcode, and you have a different barcode for every single every product where you can see the set to set. We deal with the wholesale manufacturing price where you can buy with the set and you can sell to your customers with a better margin. That's what a business. When you want to do a business, here also when we have a customers in the designer section. So these kind of sarees you have to keep quickly for the based on the summer, based on the winter, how the customers are expecting. And in the market also the ratio level is too high for the this business. That's why these are all daily wear, lightweight, premium, fast moving, demanded sarees. So hope you enjoyed these kind of collections. So friendly budget 500 to 600 range of sarees I've showed you. Quickly place an order, add into your business, make your customers happy, give the product explain when you are getting customers, give the knowledge of the products, then only they will also find out, yeah, it's worth what I'm putting the money or not when they come for purchase. So for the regular updates, please follow social media pages. And for you, if you're watching first time, please like, follow, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments, I'll clear it. And for the regular, for every products, whatever the videos you see, soon you place an order. So before getting out of stock, you can achieve reach that collections. So next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting my friends. Take care. Bye bye.